In a global economy, knowing who is whom is the key to trust. Meet RAMP 2.0 by LEI Worldwide, a comprehensive, multi-award-winning solution to manage Legal Entity Identifiers, or LEIs. RAMP offers you the fastest way to obtain, renew, and manage LEIs. From a single control account, get a 360-degree view of your global LEI portfolio instantly. With the power of API-driven automation, applying for LEIs has never been easier. Say goodbye to outdated data entry. With RAMP's autofill feature, just enter your company name and country and let our system do the heavy lifting. LEIs are issued within hours or even minutes. Renewals? No problem. RAMP mitigates renewal risk with multi-year registration and automatic renewal features. We'll send renewal notifications to ensure no LEI inadvertently lapses. Easily consolidate a fragmented LEI portfolio by completing a free bulk LEI transfer to LEI Worldwide. Since 2017, LEI Worldwide has been committed to making the LEI process simple and efficient. Our mission is to be your global point of contact for LEIs, cementing the LEI as the world's most important identifier. Check out RAMP 2.0 by LEI Worldwide. Managing LEIs has never been easier. Visit us at leiworldwide.com, where LEIs managed.